Happening. Well, the rain just started. My baby girl just came in the house, and the rain is due to continue for hours, at least 2 hours. I just dumped 2 inches of rain out from that storm yesterday, but I came in and I noticed something right there on the door. Looks like a bunch of crap. And I noticed on the floor, I thought it was just mud. So then I get to looking around a little bit more, and there's spatter all over my stove. The stove was clean. And then on the floor here, and on the trash can, and here. What the heck? Y'all probably already guessed. I've got a bird in the house, and I'm sure its bowels are pretty well evacuated now, and it's scared. It is in the living room, so we're gonna see if we can't get a shot of this bird. Oh, more traces. And on the pool table, all over the pool table. Lord have mercy, its bowels better be empty. I got some, lots of cleaning to do. Incredible. I cannot believe that bird has that much crap in it. At least it's been eaten well. Now, it's, like I said, in the living room, so I'm sure I've got a bunch of cleaning to do there. So let me get the light on here. And it's going nuts already because it hears me. So I'm going to be quiet. We'll see if we can't get it to settle down and see what kind of bird it is. More bird crap on the sofa. Where you at? There you are. Okay, you're a robin. You're an upset robin. Well, you're a baby robin. Aw, you poor little thing. Okay, well, we know what it is. Alright, gang. Come on, light, go out. There we go. I guess I've got a house to clean and a bird to evacuate out of that house. Once I get it caught, I'll show you guys, and then we'll set it free out in the rain. I always leave my door open in the warmer months. That's because it helps keep the house aired out, and every once in a while birds decide to come in and investigate. It's the first one this year. I'm sure it won't be the last. Anyway, we'll see you guys as soon as we get that bird caught, so stay tuned. To have lost the bird. Where'd the bird go? Okay, gang. I've got the bird fairly well calmed down. So, let me find a place to clip the camera. There we go. You're alright, sweetheart. Settle down. Hey, settle down. Come on, come on. You're okay. Come on, get up there. Get up there. see the outside? Huh? Do you see the outside? Do you want to go ahead and fly out there? It's right out there. Let me take you out. Okay guys, I'm going to take the robin out, but I got her calmed down enough to where she's trusting me a little. So, hang on, I'll be right back. I'm going to face the camera towards the door, and I'll do some editing so you guys don't have to watch all that. Okay, we got her, and she's got cobwebs all over her, so we're going to clean those off. It's kind of funny. This is how I usually catch them when they get in the house. And then they calm right down after I've got a hold of them. That's a pretty good duster for getting rid of the cobwebs. Okay, sweetheart. What else we got here? A little bit more on what's left of your pin feathers. Okay, you're pretty much all cleaned up. And she just calmed right down. So we're gonna let her go. Oh, grab the camera. Are you interested in the camera, little girl? Huh? Look. We're outside. Now she'll start freaking out because she knows she's outside. Are you ready to go, honey? Huh? Are you ready to go? Oh, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Easy, easy, easy. Here, get a hold of my finger. Get a hold of my finger. Get a hold of it. There you go. Now just hang on. Hang on. You're okay. You're alright. I got you. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Away you go. You're home free. Now we've got a happy robin. Are you all better now? I hope so. I got a whole house to clean up because of you. And you're still pooping. Well, you need to get down on the ground and get you something to eat, because I'm sure you're empty. Alright, guys. House cleaning time. Clean up all the poop. Alright, gang. There's my excitement for this rainy day. More than likely, I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me get my... Poor thing. My brother Brian Ozengay, his power's out. Went out last night. Now they're saying he's not going to get power back until maybe Wednesday. Bummer. I've got 2 generators here and he doesn't have 1 there. Oops. Anyway, alright. Catch you guys later.